7 high income skills that you need to put yourself at the top and reduce the competition. Many people, the top 1% of people that have learned high paying remote jobs, freelance gigs from top paying clients, and also are able to make good money for themselves online. I've checked out hundreds, a lot of people that are thriving in this space, in this remote work space, in this freelance space, that have high paying freelance clients, that have high paying remote jobs, and are also making a ton of money for themselves online. And all of these people have this 7 high income skill. I'm also working with this skill and learning this skill to also 10x my revenue this 2025. My name is Rita. I'm a content writer. I teach about how to find and learn remote work, freelance, and generally how to make money online but as a creative. So if this video sounds like what you want to listen, then let's dive in. First skill. Now, number 1, AI automation. Now, AI has come to stay. So this is not the debate of whether AI is better than human or human is better than AI. This is not the place for that debate. AI has come to stay, and what you can do is to work in sync with AI. AI is not supposed to replace humans or to replace what you are doing. It's supposed to work with you. You're supposed to use AI to enhance what you're doing, to 10x everything you're doing. If you are trying to land a remote job, then you can speed up things with the use of AI and automation. I have several videos where I talked about how you can use AI to actually have remote job, how you can use it to find jobs, how you can use it to automate your remote job processes, and how you can use it to apply to more jobs. Now, when you talk about applying to jobs, we have the debate of quantity over quality. So do you send more jobs, or you're going to send high quality jobs? This is where you have to bring in AI. The job market is competitive, so the more jobs you are able to send out, the higher the chance of you actually landing those jobs. So that is where AI comes to play. So you want to, as much as possible, apply to more jobs than you regularly would. So if you apply to jobs 1 job per day, it's not enough, because a lot of people that apply to those jobs. So you have to increase your chances of actually landing the job by applying to like 20 jobs per day if you are seriously searching for a remote job. So AI and AI automation is here to stay. And if you are looking to like go into the content creation space, AI will actually help you churn out content faster than you would if you are going to be doing everything manually. When I talk about AI, I'm not talking about replacing everything you need to do, but you can create systems, you can create AI agents, you can create system templates that AI will use AI to create templates that make things go faster for you. Now you're going to have a structure that which you want to work with, and then use AI and automation to automate things and make things faster, because you want to play on the quantity side of things. Now you want to use you want to apply to many jobs, and also use your specific skill and abilities to now put in the quality. So you see where the AI and human meet together. That is the point. So that is skill number 1. You have to learn to work with AI and AI automation. Skill number 2 is problem solving. I know you may not have heard of this as a skill, or maybe nobody has talked about this. When we talk about high income skill, people are always talking about learn programming, learn maybe virtual assistant is what is like everybody's doing now, learning. So but what people don't understand is problem solving, problem detection, and problem solving is actually a very high income skill. All of the in-demand skill, hard skill going on right now, we as a result of problems. People were able to see some problems that other people were facing, and then they were able to create solutions for that problem. So your problem solving skill will help you be like one of the top 1% of people that are actually landing high paying remote job. Freelance clients are able to make a good income for themselves online. So that is very important. So how can you actually solve problem? Now you look at what if you already have a hard skill. For instance, you're a content writer, because I am a content writer, so I'll always give that example. So if you're a content writer, you have to be looking at what is the problem. Now for instance, there's one challenge I've actually faced as a content writer is when it comes to distribution. So you finish writing an article, you finish writing a content piece, and you're thinking, how can I get it to the eyes of people aside from search engine and all of that? So when you find a problem, when you are able to identify a problem, and you now look what can be the solution of this problem, then you go and do your research. So while other people are crying about all of this problem, you are able to find the solution to that problem, and that will give you an edge over every other person. For instance, this YouTube channel, I actually, at the beginning of my career into remote job, freelancing and all of that, so one of my challenges was, where do I go? Where do I start from? or where can I even find legitimate remote job? Because a lot of people, a lot of people are just posting scam jobs. Some of these jobs are just, job boards are repeating the same jobs over and over. So I discovered this problem. A lot of people were complaining about this problem, so I decided to find a solution to where what can I do. I try different, and whatever I find out, I'm coming to share. So, and if you're in that situation where you feel like then you don't know where to find job, like this whole job search process is just a headache, then you can also look at what is the solution. And if you're in that situation, I actually have a WhatsApp group, because landing remote job, finding legitimate remote jobs that are not scam, is something that is not very easy to do. So if you are going to be applying to a lot of jobs, then you are going to be sure that you are going to find these jobs. So I actually have a WhatsApp community where I actually post remote jobs and freelance remote jobs, and where you can also have the community to interact with other remote workers, freelancers, and you can share, ask questions. These are the things that I didn't have when I was starting out, and I decided to create them since I had this problem. Then other people will have this problem, so I decided to find a solution to this problem. So I'll put the link to join the WhatsApp group. It's totally for free. It's in the description, so you can go join the WhatsApp group. Yeah, that said, skill number 3 is content creation. See, I cannot overemphasize the importance of content creation. You might be like, oh, I don't like to stay in front of the camera. There are million and one ways that you can actually create content without actually doing a video content. You can totally do a faceless video. So I'll put a link in the description about a particular video that I actually watched. This is even using stick figures, and these people have thousands and millions of faceless channels, have lots of thousands. So, and there are platforms like LinkedIn, like Medium, Substack, that is just text based. So you can actually decide to be a text based creator. There are text based creators like Romane. I know one guy is a text based creator. He doesn't do videos and all of that, but he's making a lot of money as a text based creator. So you can also do that. Content creation is really not about just filming yourself or saying anything. It's about knowing, it's about putting yourself and your work out there. But the thing is that if you've not previously found a problem and you have not actually find the solution to that problem, it will be difficult for you to put yourself out there and also teach people about the solution to the problem that you've discovered and the solution to that problem. So that's why problem solving is an important skill. Then when you find the problem, you have the solution, you're now able to create content about this, helping other people that have those same problems. And with doing that, you're announcing yourself as the owner, like the person that has provided this solution. And that is when you see that you won't actually be chasing clients will start chasing you. The most important ones, if you have been out creating content, the next point is the most important one, because it's flow. There is a flow. So this is the next one, is personal branding. Like we cannot even overemphasize the importance of personal branding. A lot of people just talk about logos, having a way you dress, having your logo, having your website. All of that is just packaging. The personal branding in itself, my own definition of personal branding that I've seen work for a lot of people, and it's actually trying to walk that path and making it work for me. It's about identifying yourself as a person, a unique person solving a unique problem and being known for it. So you have to choose the problem that you are going to solve and be known for it. See, this is actually what is making the 1% of people that are actually landing high paying remote jobs, that are landing high ticket freelance clients, that are actually making money online. This is one thing that they know that other people don't know. I have actually gone through loads of profiles, like different people, gone through everything that are doing, that are making top money. This is one skill. Personal branding is very important. So it's not really about the camera, posting content online, TikTok and all of that. It's far beyond that. It's about having that's why those other points I mentioned were very important, because here how everything flows together is discovering a problem, solving that problem, creating content about that problem, and being an authority in that. When people think of for instance, when people think about remote job, where to find remote jobs and all of that, you think about me most probably, like if you've come across my channel before. Or when people think about fashion problem, they think about some other dude, because that is where they'll be able to position themselves. Now this is where the power of nation comes in. So that is a topic for another. If you want me to do a video about niching and how to niche, let me know in the comment section below, and I will do a video about how to niche and why it is important for you to niche. So sales and persuasion. Like, the truth that nobody will tell you is about everything when it comes to the world of work and money. Sales is at the bottom of everything. There is no business that doesn't want to make sales. So even if you are going to be going, you are not looking to land in a remote job or freelance clients, you want to start creating content. At the end of the day, everybody is selling. Either you are selling your knowledge, you are selling your personality, you are selling your brand, you are selling your solution that you provide, or you are selling your services, or you're actually selling something. So if you can actually hack this, you're going to be at the 1% of, you're going to be 1%, be a part of the 1% of people that are actually landing high paying remote jobs, freelance gigs, and actually making money online. Like, I cannot overemphasize the importance of selling. And the truth is that if you can help someone else make more money, it will be easier for them to pay you. This particular skill is what I am currently learning, and I can see how it has helped me. The way I approach things, the way I say things, the way I handle clients' work has actually really changed. Have clients on the pipeline that are paying 5 times more than what I would usually charge on a normal basis. So if you're thinking of the income skills you should learn, and this is, anybody can learn these skills, is sales. So you see how everything is snowballing, where you are using AI, problem solving, content creation, personal branding, sales. What is the point of creating a personal brand, solving a problem, if you are not going to be to sell something, if you are not going to be paid for it? So that is where the whole thing comes in. So there's difference between just creating content and creating personal brand for the sake of it, and there is a point of creating a brand, creating personal brand, creating content that actually sells. That is the important part, because at the end of the day, you want to sell something, you want to be known for something, you want to sell your knowledge, you want to sell your services. And if you are putting yourself out there, you want to land remote job, you want to sell your expertise to prospective clients, and this is a great way to do it. When you have achieved, even for yourself, you have achieved some level of success, if you're able to sell something, even if it's an idea, a piece of knowledge, a service, people can see that you'll be able to sell. You have the testimonial to back it up. It will be able for them to trust you that you can also sell their stuff. So the sales is important. I'm actually learning this, and I'm already seeing the impact that it's already having in my business and in my career already. The next skill is writing. I know this might sound like, but the thing is that you write every day. Everybody writes every day, but not everyone writes persuasively. See, writing text is going nowhere. I know that content has evolved. We went from text to visual content to images, carousels, infographics, and now video content is like the in thing. But text is going nowhere. I know text-based creators that only use text to create content, and they are making tons and tons of money. They're making a lot of money. But this is where it is. Whether you like it or not, you are going to be writing. You are going to be writing your CV. You are going to be writing your cover letter. You are going to be pitching to clients, and all these things are text-based. You are going to have your portfolio. All these things are text-based. So the more you master the act of writing, actually persuasive writing, the better it is for you to sell something. The better it is for you to pitch to someone, send an email that will actually get open. So I started learning. I've been writing for over 7 years. I've written creative writing, formal writing, informal writing. I've written, for corporate organization. I've written for myself. I've written in blogs and all of that. And I can tell you that is a very powerful tool. A few words are like seeds. They can leave lasting impression into people's hearts. Words are very, very important, and it's the basic way that you can sell. So if you master how to write, you can be able to convince. And it's very important if you are looking to land remote job, freelance gig, and of course you are going to be pitching to clients, and how good you are writing will determine what you get out of it. So you see, all of this skill, they are very important, and anybody can. You don't need to have studied writing or gone to the university to study English and all of that. Anybody can learn how to write persuasively. It just comes with practice and following structures of other people that have won in this field, what they've done, seeing what they've done, and also replicate. I actually made a video about how I cannot be ignored. I sent messages, like I sent 5 messages, I get 5 responses. I cannot be ignored, and I've actually found the strategy that actually works. So I'll put the link to that video in the description, so that you can go watch the video and learn my writing process, and probably also download my template. I have a template of how to write messages that actually gets open. So you see what I did, and you can replicate the same thing. And the last but not the least, images, images. So I said thumbnails. When it comes to putting yourself out there, you want to always make sure that you are presented where people want. In this world of AI now, people want to work with real people. People want to work with real humans. So one of the high income skill you need to learn is how to present yourself, how to create images. So I'm not really talking that you don't have to be a graphic designer or an animator or anything. Now AI tools are everywhere. Canva is everywhere. You can create nice appealing images, especially if there are platforms that you want to grow on. The way you present your images, maybe platforms like LinkedIn, the way you present images about yourself is how people will actually take you. These skills are actually very important. So these are the 7 high income skills that you can use to win in this crazy world of work, remote work, freelancing. If you have these 7 skills, I assure you that you are on your way to actually landing a high paying remote job, freelance. Or if you want to start building a career for yourself, want to start going into content creation, want to start making money online, these 7 skills are a no-brainer. From AI, to using AI to automate your processes so you can work faster, to problem solving, to personal branding, to content creation, to all of the skills, to content creation, to branding, to writing, to image creation. All of these skills are important. They are actually very important, and I've made a lot of videos. If you actually want to land a remote job very soon, I've made a lot of videos about how to land remote job, where to find remote jobs. I have all of these videos. So if you have any questions about any of these skills, I'm actually learning some of them I've mastered, some of them I'm still in my process of learning. If you have any question about this skill and what you think you should learn, or the next video I should make, then do well to drop in the description. And I also have a course, a content writing course. So if you are interested in writing, I'll put the link to the course in the description so that you go watch it. So let me know what you think in the comment section and what videos you would like for me to make best. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.